Hey Pebble Beach, it's Rock here. I wanted to talk to you about what we've been working on. So, we're working on the squat move, trying to get your legs separated. It's become pretty clear that I have some drift to this left side coming down, and once I drift, then I can't really get the squat move. So I was working with my trainer today, and he basically said, in order to get that squat move, you really have to have a lot of mobility up in the shoulders. Okay, so from this view, your shoulders have to be able to go like that, do that kind of a move to keep the lower body stable. So he did a series of exercises with me to get to widen this out, to get more depression on my shoulders, and so the pressure would be down this way, down, and retraction this way. So trying to get my ear lined up over my shoulder. So all those things are like used to be able to swing the club like we're talking about. So I've been working on it. It's real hot out here. Been working on it, so I wanted to hit a few drives, let you look at it. All right, Pebble Beach, I nailed that one. So, what I'm feeling is when I go here, in order to get this leg stabilized, I have to be able to, get my chest going up, and I got to get my shoulders have to be mobile enough to keep going. And it's basically this move of the right elbow. It has to. So to get that move of the right elbow, this shoulder has got to retract. It's got to depress. You got to have enough. Your chest has to open up. All those things have to happen. It's the whole body's got to function for that move to occur. So it's an interesting move. I'm just starting to feel it now, so keep hitting it. Pebble Beach on that one. I just spun the club just slightly open, and I was really trying to make sure on the takeaway I got the toe up. And that really makes a difference in my ability to do this move. So if I open it up and get this club to open up, when I get to here, it gives me a little bit more ability to open this chest up, get these shoulders open up, get the delts working, the lats working, get everything working. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try one, not full energy because it's a really new move for me, trying to even do it. I'm going to get it. I think I got what, 3 times out of a lot, so I'm going to try a little harder though. Pebble Beach, that held up. It wasn't perfect, but I was out of balance. But I definitely felt the move hold up with max energy. I was able to spin that face open, smidgen, get the face open, get in here, get my shoulder joints to really get in. Really open up. Okay. So it felt really good. All right, Pebble Beach, take a look at it, see what you think. Appreciate all the help, and it's really feeling good. I'm pressing myself, I'm trying to concentrate, think a little bit more, focus, putting that energy into it, really trying to push myself to it. So keep helping, and appreciate it. Thanks, buddy. See you. Bye.